most of your people have been complaining that you don't respond to their messages when they need assistance from you. Please kindly respond to them because their complaints are very bad, bro. I know the task is very hectic, but please try to assist them. Yeah, dude, this is a very serious situation, you know. Very serious. But it's unfortunate, say, we can't do much. What we can do now and here, you know. You see, you are talking about a day receiving thousands of calls. A day is receiving so many messages. Okay? Yes, as a beginning, no, I started alone, many ferry. It got to a point, and then you say, a Jumano Sonodo. Okay? A Jumano Son. And we got a shop. Okay? We got a shop. Ya employ nipa bako 5. I was shop wa was some suma ituomoka. Ya provided office numbers for the office workers. Obi bia na ohia bibi no. Call the office, talk to them. Enye bibi bia na ese za wona Jnana Caksus. Okay? Enye bibi bia na ese wona Jnana Caksus. You will be people from the office will be able to answer you. Okay? I've taken my time, draft forecast, detailed information. Ebinum eye edijisika. They take so much money by providing lesser information as compared to what I provide for my people. You have to pay. At times, not less than $300. And so information I will be providing and even half of what I provide for my people. I have done so many lessons, matured so many rituals. I given so many directions that those who are serious should be able to help themselves without always hearing from Jnana. You see, if you join a spiritual platform, a platform of knowledge like ours, you don't just join because you want to be part of us. You join because you want to learn. You will be able to help yourself. You know, it is very sad. In fact, I hear comment on me kind in a menya bra me pese me kasa kakra. It is very sad to say, after joining transformation for 3, 4, 5 years, now was so diet na ebia wahu no wo waso there na wahu obi a wawu waso there na bibi na pese won take Jnana nkansa na wa ho atowa. I think say wonye serious. Then make another I say. Why join transformation for 2 years, 3 years, 4, some people even 7 years. Now what dana waso daye bi. Now you still want to hear Jnana and sana watowa won you very serious. Your platform be we have about 124 WhatsApp platforms. Uti about 124 WhatsApp platforms. Until bisa I say even platform ba could be no say nipa was so only 500. 500 times 124 mo saying. As a platform ni bi o ha o mo 1,000. It be a 900, it be a 700. The environment say average platform be never even a 400 also. 400 times 124 no a unipercent also. People are just too lazy. And you know, some of you are just too lazy. What did I make no? Some of you guys are just too lazy. After joining transformation for more than a year, 2 years, you know, your basic things to be one. You don't need to trouble anybody. Try to obey practicing normal yachre. You know, see, let me be sincere with you guys. You see, no, I'm being sincere with you. I'm just being sincere. Some of you are just too lazy. People are just too lazy. what join a group. Your group way to say some class of say 1992. And I say, dear, some fan club will be what joining an organization, a platform for knowledge, nimdie. Okay? What joining platform, and the leader that you trusted that what joining the platform, my videos, okay, YouTube, videos are my go on hundreds, thousands, maybe hundreds, thousands in my. And among these, my so many directions, my so many rituals at my church. The normal, see, normal, so many spiritual people knows they will never teach you. They won't come out and teach free of charge. They will never do that. Okay? Officer Fair, we pay them to receive calls. The men and individual back, hundreds of people are calling me daily. No, how is it possible? Say, me to me, I pick you be a call. How is that possible? Say, me to me, I pick you be a call. And at times, the idea and I had Jane Cran say, "Will be on one journey, you could chair for years, 3 years, 4 years, impo ebia 2017 chance ye ne chance ye no nipa ni timo frɛw daddy bacho ma so da ye be me so da ye no na okraman bi pan me daddy na e kire say you've joined this platform for more than 5 years. What so da ye ma kraman pan na won ti ase na wo frɛ me. I don't think that you need help. You don't need help. No. Now this is here with you. You don't need help. And I is sad, you know. The American just say all the members know. That you say there was 600 plus videos on transformation era. 600 plus videos. And me video be a make me video be a make I know people on my journey transformation for years. Or more frame me da. There's one guy be a me kokoto US. I think say is it Chicago, baby and Michigan. The very first time he was so happy seeing me in person. And Osha see all can and no man what benefited since or joining transformation. Testimonies in mintimum can many or can wait, no, I can't wait, no, I can't wait, no, I can't wait. Or you know, say Jana, Menfre would that I've never called you. I have never ever called you. But testimonies are made my winning I and normal will watch saying. Amen. I took a vow, say, I dear be our piano. I will try to put that into practice. Say so direction no yeah Juma and I say be about when him Jnana when him and obey me. And I will confess here. Say no watch me all the testimonies are made my winning I know here. And no ma will watch that ma follow through many testimonies in our life. There are people you give them the chance to call you. Every day they want to call you. Every blessed day they want to call you. Me ye Juma nipa ne dos ntin wuntim gas obi amra. Okay? And a ferry atra wa ha no. I say you can search your problem with Jana's name on YouTube. It will give you solutions. Yes. Oko type of Jnana Caksus does maybe dreams and spiritual marriage. O type of video my year YouTube now maka bibia fa wo ha no. It will pop up. Just go and listen. Try and do something for yourself. No, I mean sad momenti and asofo aye tam no. Some of you said the mototo momenti na asofo na aye no. Because yes, so me to me won say sika na ka me pa. Tell me offer me bia na me pick course ni nyina no. At the end of the day no, to your way nka metra sika na nka course nkwa na me pick. But no, I am here to build you, to help you to grow. I want you to grow, knowing very well, say, Jnana, I will not live forever. And I've told you guys, I have a short life. I will not be here for too long. Okay? And into the minimum, I spend time teaching all this. I'm writing books. One day I will launch all these books because the minimum, yedi be go from amuna yedi be so egu ho e won troyem. Okay, Mr. Kofi Bedin, me direction bia machire bia wa tro ni nyina owo ni nyina wo the archives. He is also a member of Transformation. Ebimpa wo join ni jano. By video bia ma ye direction bia ma ye bia no wa tro bi bia dia to e wo na archives e wo mu an wo yi ba kwa beto ho. E wo man wo yi ba kwa beto ho. So you as a member, why are you not taking normal serious? You as a member, why are you not taking normal serious? Because people are using the direction I have given them. Here, I saw for mobile maintainer. They come and tell me, say, Daddy, thank you very much. What? Now me, I saw for no minimum pay. The animals and can Bible na your mom pay. But so be about and share with problems. Let me nimbi but we normal wo church no. And I'm not trying to make you be German for maintain. Now me tell you come then I'm able to guide them. Now what there ntontom kra besi na ho a opese won Jnana Caksus who did not try mokra na you want to hear from Jnana ukodi mako na bo wa oh Jnana me didi na me bo wa. I mean, if you act like this you will never grow. They will say the video is too long. The video no one hour na you too long na me am try say me kasa na too long for me. I say na edu ba bia ade say nkuna ne say there are few people who are making good use of the information we are given. Na ye ne omo di nkoma how omo fa omo express omo ho said your omo life city and now as compared to before no e say nkuna. It doesn't mean that this person doesn't have a problem. On your problems, but almost every angle in our lives, and machire bibia ube to me dia bon ho ban. Machire so many things about the full moon. Today is the full moon. Wonya hwe akwadron ko. Then tomorrow morning you call me and expect to say, Daddy Mpacho, me wura mi dem na ntonton bi e wo ho na me hu say wo Jacob nam ho nti daddy benya den. But me gabi binchira. Sambo koso na mo ye ni say ya ohun. All that you are doing is say mo ma amanfo a omo ye sunsum djuma omo ye no ma ye bi no. Now they want to decide say okay djuma na me mfa ne say ye djuma me ya pesika. Tie ni. Because just imagine say asofo a omo ye counseling na omo nim say obi bia na obeba counseling ho no nipa no obeto collection number 1 nipa no bo mani me say o get ticket number 2 oba say o to bibi by force no number 3 no sa so for we no they don't do anything. All that they do is say every day omo ye counseling because bibia na obe counseling obe sore no obi bia na oba no obeto collection wo ho obe get ticket obeto bibi so every day obetena se no na o ye millionaire nti ohun say ya adwuma o ye apart from that onye bibia bi nti no on tenase na on peke course nko no kasa bia na me bompa ya ma wonti send o see the bra ba me no me hu ni sa. Okay, I don't see like that. Me hu ni say gift nya media mame no matimi asuade and with my own personal experience in life no I'm able to guide people and you know me hu ni say no I have a gift and I'm asuade. Now, meaning said the minimum is genuine, the right thing. So I want to share with the masses. Okay? Now it is not about money. And into the minimum, I mean share man for. And I expect say people will pay attention, learn this. Now I'm going to put it into their practice. Say go see what I'm saying. Abusua, sikamu here. Money is very important in this our modern world. And it will be beyond only a chance to make money, you know. The person want to exploit that. Obi biyana onya any easy chance to be obet manya sikano. The person want to exploit that avenue to make money. There were so many opportunities to make quick money. We don't exploit that. Knowing very well, say, we are not doing this because we need money. Just imagine. Young man said transformation for TSMU. Transformations. Who omo registered members. Young man said omo just 15,000 members pay. TNE. Young man said omo registered members, no. Omo 15,000 members pay. Ena me ena ko ni me dia. Ena ferry eye ko founder. So if I decide say obi bia na wa register transformation mono every month as a dues of say 100 Ghana cedis, I am mandated to say henceforth obi bia na we co member no every month as I say 100 Ghana omo mo aburo chire nko mbetua ne $100 mpo tienie obi bia na we transformation member no every month no dues obetua mame Jnana 100 Ghana times 15,000 people. Nka every month be a menya 1.5 million. Say Zoom no, I have to unim. Say CA Zoom na I expire no. When I was activity for 1 year no, I paid $1,028. Say CA na metua. I won't tell anybody the moment you mame. See me kan ye say CA na metua. Metua ko na sika ni account no. And into almost say sika na nso. Be check $1,028 no. Unim sika e about 17,000 cedis. Say see na metua e. Say de be ya ene ye ba be Zoom no. Wo betimi a join bi. Maka gi so me metua me Zoom ayi mame. I just paid. Say see na metua o. Say see na metua. $1,028. Say see na metua. Say the be ya participants in be 1,000. Say see na metua from account to me try first a bit to no say sika omusua amba me kwache kene nso ese me send sika to me see e na me dia dua Zoom no said e be ya wo e be ya full moon meditation obetimi participate menim say obetimi ahu a obehu a hwe bajo hu or see your plan has been, what is it, completed and baby one more TikTok to my way say see na me tuaka. Se see Zoom. Se see and amatua. $1,028. Said the bear Zoom many when they were Zoom. Master you Zoom, may I sorry meeting, you Zoom a day I sorry meeting or to see enemy to I just paid. Said the bear wo, your bear's full moon meditation. Oh, baby, I want a benefit. I could sit in the house and do it with my family. I spend money just to make you people happy. Me say see na me too. Me better ha me no. Na you Zoom no. I say 40 minutes per. So I notice say me plan no I spy. When I check they say there's a metia January man tia. Until Oma cancel. I have to pay that one. Me tia no. I think $259 is saying. I paid. I thought say be my chance here. Me quite almost say I know you between February to January to February and net 12. No? So I have to go and do another plan. I'm sorry if I'm increasing the panel up to 1,000. It's going to matter. So I must say a man to be $50. Okay, and then I open 500. But I open 1,000 a month to be at 100 and something. Until you know the whole year in $1,028 with taxes. So see enemy to ya. Said you beya wo. Ubetimi abani aye full moon meditation free of charge o meto collection mame. How many of you kwano mo bi say papa the way or super no ho ye ho even bosumi bia no mame mpe bibi kakra ngokoma no. How many of you do that? You know at times you know edru ba bia I say ye din sa na ukoso na we onyame djuma ukaso hwe nipa anima. I was telling you say even ye nipa ye wo ye kuo no mu a omo ye registered members me ye focus my ye free of charge obi enya bi so because every month obi entia dues of 100 Ghana me na kuo no ye me de antutu sika na me a you won't say you won't pay because kuo am joining na mutu sika minim nipa bi etu 100 Ghana cedis na ye 15,000 and every month be menya 1.5 million Ghana cedis 15 billion cedis every year you be a 1.5 million Ghana cedis. I say no 15 billion O cedis. Nkafe I say this one times 12. I say eh nkafe biya no this one mo betuma me nko 18 million Ghana cedis. Momo bi kura ha me say yanje dues because of this 170 me say yanje. How many of you have been coming to me and say, Daddy, my young tia dues na kuo biya no you tia dues me say no. I don't want us to be bringing all this because be a chena man for tia na kasa the Dawson. So me say me ji dues so bi entia 100 Ghana. Menim say onko omo wa aburuchire no. Omo wa aburuchire no. Nka bi betua be $100 menim. Every month be and make 1.5 million Ghana. Just the dues of my mommy. But I don't take anything from you. Mama about my consultation. I chidabosomum. Obeko mo ha. No more na so mo TV so 700 Ghana every day. So obeko no ha. Ozi de meka no. Chidabosom na de bi no na so on TV no so. Also on the unkra was 700 Ghana, I don't come. 700 Ghana. Okwa obasi atade. O ba me wa a free of charge. Before obeba no be free office ho, oni obi akasa was a new code, a data no mu isu, untua ka pre a free. Huh? Now book appointment amount. Oba me ha wie no metua card bia wa ha na o wi obewura me ho mpa. Masan amount soap ni oil free of charge. Every single individual obewura me ha bia no ha me man soap ni oil. Free of charge. Me yo, soap no cry out to be wie no. Amount for musino, I have to pay them. Tieni, omo mo was a man. I have to pay them. No matter na yabobo. Apart from normal make can boom no. Ya say your oil like oba me man so be my oil. Obi ho metena se Tuesday obeba ha Tuesday. Obeba Thursday. Obeba Tuesday. Da metena se bia no oba. I give. Okay, say menim sikape. Do you think that I don't know how to make money? You think I don't have responsibilities? I do. But I feel happy serving people. And it will be idea why you're money until the person can give you A, B, C, D. That's okay. But I don't use the opportunity I have to exploit people. And I feel even some people are making money from what you teach free. They don't pay you. Yes, minimum. And no much then be your moye no. And no moya semina, moya perfume say, or more digisika, there's no one single the guys. Oh, Papa be kind of cherry minimum. Mamma ko 100 Ghana man. They will never do. Do I complain? I don't. The whole family when yamea, please. I'll be happy to receive all calls. But I'm a human being. I have many other responsibilities I have to attend to. My mother is alive. My father is alive. I have siblings. I have so many people that depends on me. Do frame na one fa na me frame na man nyawa ya men hwe men yes I no na my friend na unya me no anything na me chire no ma I am teaching you many things that you can help yourself. How many times do you have to say this? Focus a me yemamo focus a o say obi na ya amawa meaning obi a makura am ya me training no ya focus man microphone or get $350 that I'm very much aware. Yes. Or get $350. Somebody I trained $350 OJ. He's making money. But I'm here. You think I don't know how to make money? I know, but I feel say I have a gift. I know so I want to make sure say I have positive impact in the lives of people. And into frame na manfa na we say na at times na eya na eya shemabufu. And that my friends say me nyam one frame say wunya me menti hoko. I have many things that I'm doing. I have many things that I'm doing. I suffer Ghana ha. And no man nim bebre enim quarter but they are millionaires because they are exploiting your ignorance and you will not listen. When you be or no or the real thing sikasemu hia no. O philosophy and kasa minim. Before no beka say obeka just say no yeah na wa send you seed money the aba or number say they do that. Let me carry me boy with him. Also for ben na obe friend na din come 5 minutes 10 minutes wa bra unye bibi ma no. But I pick calls all the time. Just say I'm a very busy person. Because of that, you know, and the bia na ofra obenyame. Me nem go focus the bia ask Manti a woman who I'm telling you, Manti boom, you go baby. Me pick a course all the time. But an individual can pick all course. Your fan crofo office who here be a call them. Say, I dear chiro moso movies or munti munga who be anjina wa. That is when it's okay, try so be Fred Jnana. Of course, so that you be now until then I say, don't call me because I have taught so much and I expect the people to pay attention and then benefit from all these things. Some of you buy me chain. Me ye no ma de mamo. No man ye yi amoko aso dem ko di adanse ko tiasika bumo ho that are here. I'm saying minim. Dodo na beba me ha or issue obeba obeye we obeye ma no. Yes. Jana me you be a me pesa no man na be my friend be. No, I don't do those things. Akoso we no be ko aso dem be nipa wo. Hey. O ye say ma me na ye no ko tiasika bum. The ambassador me say, I want you to learn. I want you to follow normal nature. Now I try to obey practice be. Try say the year children one can obey practice be. O ma oni o motifi no. Try say obey engage you o mo kakra. Ti da make no. O ma and no me as we so some of you know. The one try and putting normal nature be into practice. How do you transfer that knowledge into your kids? Why do you always want to talk to Jnana first? Even at the end of my children, I made a yakra times and I feel me bo. Manya time I throw forecast very detailed information. I made them was a working canning now from now up to the end of the year. No, you will know what to do. No, Obisan Fremediana, Mpacho, my Juma Biona, my person may take a decision. You go back to the person's forecast. The forecast will tell the person, say, at this time, no, Ubenya Juma Bionu, you say, men jai old one and I janako. But the person will come back to me, expect to say, men can be answer. After taking months from September all the way to December, 3 good months yet to be writing. May you be a sight here very good. But through time I make forecast now, I start having issue with my eyes. You know why? Because almost about 20 hours and I have to sit down now my phone for 3 months. All the time from September all the way to December, no, me who say many and coming. You know why? Because if you hear any camera, I mean, your phone, no, or hear any baby say, but focus on the time when they ask. So I have to sit down and be typing about 20 hours out of 24 hours. No, I have to be typing. Anything else? The opposite way and say, try say, and no maybe I make church no. Now be practicing. And you be now be framing. I know some people in transformation now, or be framing now you'll be how and already too many. They are very close to me. They have access every time you over from no makasa. There is no one single day on be framing say, and then in pacho me how no. Or one kasani they try to or more practice no man me na. Obviously, can we still order our forecast from the website? Yes, obey to me. Why? Obey to me. The forecast is still there. Yeah, we are just in February. It will be to me. I say it pains me. As at now, they don't respect Udiaba oil and soup. Your first teachings, but they have no idea what Udiaba oil and soup can do. It should be your dream. It should be. It should be your cream and soap. Yes. So Udiaba soap and oil and chair no. So when you must offer si can crofwe di wo ho a asofo they come to me say daddy this what direction we are Ma sorry mba na me yemo mu nyina. On kan kete ye bi aba oil the soup. Or the ma obey a year juma. What ha? Do it. Mesrew at times no say obi ka just say my friend me nyawa. Me obi a me wakoma no for me a patient, you know. I have a lot of patience. Me boom fu. But obi nya kasa pa na makoma ha say be because I feel say what frame no nyame I have taught many things. Go on YouTube, go and learn. When him say transformation your app. Transformation radio app. All my videos are there. Until won't be go and go YouTube or they just corner code download the app no. Transformation radio app. There be a no my channel how would you show us my obebati. Sam Mrenkenson pound from perfume no. It is one of the most powerful things I'm actually. Who you be a open favor, open good luck. Huh? Who you be a open good luck, open favor, open cleansing. Palm front perfume, rosy pea oil. So I did me anyway. Other part you smell here. Open favor. Huh? Open favor say ye pe favor. Palm front perfume. Emren can so perfume no. Any rosy pea oil. So I did me anyway. It is the best among I did be a open favor. Until my church no man will be me a year. Please. And because that video helped me to get my 10 years document in Italy. Yeah, no man. You people, some of you guys are just too lazy. I know some people. Anytime they come close to you, no, they begin to ask questions about money. It's not about just rituals. But some of you, you want to sit there and among for you speak with you. Like all the time, somebody should feed you. Dicky Palmistry charges $350 for consultation. Dicky Palmistry charges $350 for consultation. How many of you have ever come here? I read you detailed information. I'm not charging your capreda. Obine Air charges $350 for palmistry. $350. Can you imagine? Says the nipa baha say me nipa only 100 po. No be a tia even $100 and can you saying a day. You na any free of charge. Na mo de mon has the mun tua mo tight mame. Mon has the mun tua mo tight mfama because de me yama mo no. Me nyin to say masofo kura no eya sa ade ne mamo. Me nya so say de me yama mo no mo masofo na mo tua mo tight mo every week and every month no omo ye quarter e de mamo. Yeah, forecast free of charge. And executive guy so daddy forecast no at least members being some more contribution. Now, I didn't want to even say they should even give. So they kept on telling me, so people want to give, they want to contribute. And I said, okay, it's fine. You'll be more 50 cities, 20 cities, 10 cities, 5 cities. But I mean, I appreciate it for people. So that's beautiful. Okay? I idea, obviously, horoscope.com charges $100. Horoscope.com charges $100. Go ahead, information be on them. Go ahead. Even we focus in the corner, I say, yeah, or my executives say, members because I'm contribute to no. Nipa hina contribute to. Nipa hina donate. But I don't need these things. For me, you know, I feel say these are not important. Because me nyesika. Because me use this my God-given talent for money. I can make money. Do you know how many people are me? Me ye juma mo afiwe or mo wene parliamentary candidate. 2024 election ye. Enkrofo me ankasa me ye juma mo omo awene omo seat. Ombo probese 60. I'm telling you. But when my friend, I won't even call you. I will not even call you. I mean, God be even chill. There's Obia or no. Adia Maya Manuyamin for about 3 years, big person in society. There is no one single day I met. If you are in China, I say be away one Ghana said. This person, Mahun Bess, 3 years in it. 10 bia me lodu no ma de mano a son na waba. So this person been named for 3 years in it. okoha afrem daddy na mabom pa ma no ne no ma san na waba na ma load no mama no we na de call not me bisa ne kapre e no no so onyi we nto I'm okay da bia na no ye be 3 days ni me oha na me hu say wa frɛ me ofrɛ no man pick it twice na actually me frɛ let me bone di no say daddy na ti say na me say o say daddy wo mpa gba obo me da bia no eye adwuma na me hye da ahwe wahwe na me say wo so ma hwe say o say daddy me hye da pa na me pese me hu ni pa ko a wo ye na me ankasa ma hu say for about 3 years ni am ba ho beje no me to ayika me ba me dia manfo na eba oba sikafo de da omo ka papa bi there is no one single day I mean ma yi ka pre de ato ho e na wo mbisa me minim se no ma na ode ma me no uto na me hwa ade daddy ma me nka ne kura nkyerɛ wo no ma wo yama minti no aban we ba power no position say na manya tie ni yo position say na manya na me hu say wo mpa ba wo ma me ene no ma wo ye no e na me nyanya chance let we has oba me ho kese me ode me kase wie ya pa say the number we o momu na me say oh ya o momu after about 3 minutes will be sending me 50,000 Ghana cedis me hwe din na enye dinamenim ti me twan ya se bia nipa na be frɛ me na nipa na mfrɛ ti wa na me send message say mo bi send this scam me no say daddy e yo bro nya ade no I'm say oh na say ehia say na say no o no ma wa ya ma me no minti aka we me di so appreciation to ko so na bom pa ye ma me na me say mate na me shira and I have about hundreds of people around me many people that are around me bisa o kapre o na wo say MP minister eba won China waya ade amana the first na obeji the number eboa na ga woman wa fo ni nkomo menje o number menje ofra me kwa na onyame that is me. What I'm trying to say is try not pay attention to normal yesua no na one kasa so try so obe practice be